Welcome to this gorgeous 5-bedroom plus 10 home in Azure at Hacienda Lakes. This fabulous Stefano floor plan features soaring ceilings, a chef's kitchen with quartz counters, upgraded appliances, gas cooking, and a huge island. The floor plan is open and spacious with a huge great room that brings in lots of natural sunlight, a separate dining area, and a first floor master bedroom. All the bedrooms are spacious with great closet space. Some of the other many features of this home include hurricane impact windows and doors, an enclosed lanai that is plumbed and ready to go for an outdoor kitchen, a 2-car garage, and a large backyard that has plenty of room for a pool or expanded lanai. Azure at Hacienda Lakes is one of Naples' most sought-after resort-style communities that features a beautiful resort-style pool with cabanas, a large clubhouse with a full social calendar, library, card room, state-of-the-art fitness center, tennis, pickleball, and so much more. Azure is conveniently located just minutes to restaurants, shopping, and a short drive to Naples' award-winning beaches. Contact me for more information on this fabulous home.